We all know how our File Explorer sometimes slows out down with limited features and no customization. But what if I told you there's something better, faster and smarter? This file manager isn't just fast but packed with features and is fully customizable and might just be the best one out there now. Stick around because once you see what this can do, you'll never go back. Well, I just found this game-changing File Explorer that's insanely fast, packed with powerful features and also fully customizable. In this video, I'll show you how you can get it and set it up. Then we will dive into the features to see how it's miles ahead the rest. So let's get started. To get this File Explorer installed, you just have to head to the official website, which I'll be linking it in the description below, and you just have to click on it and it will take you here. And now there's only a free beta version of this software and it's pretty easy to download. Just click on get file pilot to download the free beta, and it's very lightweight so it won't take long. Once downloaded, just open your downloads folder and just run the setup.exe, and it is going to open the setup screen for you. You just have to click on install to start installing. So once it is installed, just open the File Pilot app and you are going to be greeted with this beautiful Explorer look, and it's really fast. As you can see, I just click on it and it just open it straight away. And if I'm to open the File Explorer, you are going to see that it's going to take long before it load, but with this it's super fast and amazing. So that's it. Now let's come to the features. The first thing you are going to see that it has tabs on this side and you can open as many as tabs as you want. And we all know that the new Windows Explorer also do the same thing, but what's really amazing with these tabs is because you can just drag it and you are going to see the scripts over here for you to put it anywhere you want. So if you want to drag it side by side, you can just put it here and leave it, and you are going to see your tabs in side by side, and this is pretty amazing. No File Explorer does this on Windows now, and I think this is really amazing for now. You can also do as many tabs and split it as many as you want, and it's going to be there forever, and this is really amazing. The amazing part is it's also very fast and all of the tabs work smooth, and you are not going to get any slow movement or anything. So with this you can do a whole lot of multitasking, and dragging and dropping also work on each part of it, and this is pretty cool. The next thing I want to show you is that maybe when you have pictures or anything, you can just come here and you can make it large or something you want, and you can even scroll up and down to screw up the size and the rest. And if you want to clear the tabs, all you have to do is to just close each of them to close it up. Once you have a single tab open, you also have features like just clicking on your scroll bar and you are going to get a full features over here, which is not available on any Explorer, and it's amazing. So here you can see there's something inspector, and when you click on it, it's going to open anything you open over here, and it's pretty cool. It doesn't deal with only images and photos, but also with files and any type of file. You can just open it side by side, and I think it's pretty amazing. And once you've opened it, you also have here which you can just switch it to any view you want, and I think they are all fine. With the sidebar over here, you can also hide it or open it up with this, and I think it's pretty cool. One amazing thing I just realized about it is everything we do over here comes with a shortcut key, and I think that one too is the best. So with this, I can just press on Ctrl+B and it will hide my sidebar, and also click on it again to bring it up. And this is just the beginning. There are a whole lot of features over here, and one thing I also love about this Explorer is its fast search, and I think it's the fastest when it comes to searching for something in your Explorer, and I think it's amazing. All you have to do is to just type the name and it will show for you. So I'm just going to search for something over here which is black, and if I click on this, it's going to search through all the black I have in my files, and it's going to list them over here, and I think it's pretty cool and faster than the Windows Explorer because they are in a long files and folders, and I think it has been able to search for it quickly for me. The next thing I'm going to show you is its customization, and when I click on this symbol and click on options, there are a whole lot of things I can tweak over here. We have the simple tweaking like the font style. So you can just change the font over here and it will change the whole system font. So you just have to type the font over here and it will change. The next thing you can do is to change the font size of your entire window, which is not available on the official File Explorer for Microsoft, and it's pretty cool with these features. You can also change the inspector font size, and you also have the feature to change the spacing between them and keep it cool and nice. You can disable animations. You can also make the rounded corners go away or come, and I think it's a pretty cool feature. You can also go with the light and dark mode or just stick with one, and I think it's also cool. The next thing you can do over here is to change the color of the theme. So they have about 6 themes over here and you can choose between them, and I think each of them look pretty cool and beautiful. So you can just switch between them and choose the one which is going to look cool for you, and I'm just going to stick with the blue one over here because it looks beautiful with my wallpaper. And here you have alternating row color. You can just turn it on and you are going to see that when you have a list, some of them is going to be deep and some is going to be light over here, and it's pretty cool. The next thing they have here is inactive panel content opacity, and you can reduce the opacity of it, and I think it's pretty cool too. You can show files, extensions, you can display compact files, and the features here are too many. So in this video, I won't be able to walk you through all the features, but you can just look through yourself and get it for yourself, because I haven't seen any Explorer which comes to this standard, and I think this is the best Explorer right now that you can try. And with this, they have a lot of features which is not available in the default Windows or the Files app. So you can just look through their documentation over here to see all the features they have and just try it out for yourself. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, just comment it in the comment below and I'll reply you as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you really like my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.